Welcome to the CMC Automation Tool demonstration. The platform is designed to streamline regulatory document processing and CMC data management. After logging in, users are taken to the dashboard, which provides a clear snapshot of products' CMC documentation status, including document processing progress, data extraction results, and pending tasks. In the navigation bar, you can choose products based on modality. Here, we're selecting a biologics product. Before we proceed, we will explore Admin Panel. Here, you'll find the different products created with respect to different modalities. Click Add Product button and select your program and modality to create a new product. Now, returning to the dashboard, let's navigate to the Data Ingestion tab to begin the automated extraction process. This screen manages the entire document review and data extraction workflow. Authors can upload documents and extract data. Admins have full access, including upload, extraction, reset, and maintenance functions. We're uploading 4 key documents. Once all files are added, click Upload and Extract Data. The system immediately begins processing, automatically pulling out all relevant CMC information. After extraction completes, here we can filter by document, by module, or by validation status. Click the View button opens a pop-up showing all extracted data fields. From this pop-up, you can approve individual items by clicking the Approve This Item button. Click the Review button on any line item. This opens our split-screen interface, a powerful feature that displays the extracted data on the left and the source document on the right side. The system can scroll through the source document and highlights the search text in the document on right side. As you scroll, you'll notice the validation checklist and the system's confidence scores. After verifying accuracy, we can approve this item. Using the Next button, the system will check several more line items. For each item, we verify the extracted data against the source document and approve when accurate. Return to the main data page. After selecting all items and completing the quality verification, click Approve Selected Items to batch approve everything at once. The results page now displays a confirmation summary showing the number of validated items across modules. Moving to the document overview, we see a comprehensive list of all uploaded documents, now fully processed and categorized by the data extracted from them. Navigate to the Assay Validations module to view all auto-mapped and validated items extracted from the documents. This module captures key assay method details such as accuracy, precision, linearity, range, and other validation parameters. You can edit or delete any line item and use the Add New button to manually add items that were not captured during extraction. Navigate to the PPQ, Process Performance Qualification Batches. This section provides a structured view of all PPQ batch records, including batch ID, site, batch size, date, yields, status, and key process parameters. You can edit, delete, or add new batches using the Add PPQ Batch button. Let's quickly navigate through our other core modules. Release Criteria. Here you can review all validated release criteria with test attributes, results, and status. Edit, delete, or add new release criteria that weren't extracted from documents using the Add Release Criteria button. Process and Analytical Controls. This module displays all validated parameters with their target values, acceptable ranges, and control methods. You can edit by clicking the Edit button, delete items, or add new process controls using the Add Process Control button. Product and in-use stability. Review stability study records showing time points in months, assay or potency, purity, pH, appearance, and other critical stability parameters. Same editing, deletion, and addition capabilities apply here using the Add Stability Study button. Risk assessments, track, review, and add new risk items with their severity levels, controls, and mitigation actions. You can edit, delete, or add new risk assessments using the Add Risk Assessment button. Facility Fit Changes. This module records and assesses the impact of facility changes, such as new equipment installations, ensuring a clear audit trail. You can view change impacts, update dates, delete line items. Next, let's explore our PFD, Process Flow Diagram, creation and editing feature. This tool allows you to visualize your entire manufacturing process flow. You can customize the grid snap by selecting from the given pixel range options. and toggle between edit mode and view-only mode. Use the minimize and maximize buttons to adjust your viewing area. To add a new node, click the Add Node button. This opens a form where you can enter node details. Node label, width and height, IPC, in-process control. Specifications and other parameters. After saving, your node is created. You can drag nodes to reposition them within your diagram. Click Add Text Box to add annotations for specific nodes with adjustable dimensions. To connect nodes, click on the edge of your source node, then click on the target node to create the connection. Once you're finished editing, click Save PFD to save all changes. To edit any existing node, simply double-click it. You can modify its details and save, or delete it entirely. Remember to click Save PFD again to persist all changes. Finally, click Save Image to automatically generate a downloadable image of your complete process flow diagram. Now, let's look at our ECTD authoring functionality. The system takes all your managed CMC data and drafts regulatory-ready documents, such as Module 3 sections. With a single click on the Generate button, the system compiles all validated content and provides a draft ready for review. The Recent Drafts table displays all your generated documents with their details. You can download documents in multiple formats: text, HTML, or Word document. Now let's explore our FDA validation feature. Click the Validate button. The platform initiates an automated FDA compliance check, comparing your generated document against the latest FDA requirements. After successful validation, the system generates detailed results with a clear compliance score. In this example, we achieved 95% compliance. The validation report highlights any critical missing requirements that need urgent attention. For instance, it may flag missing structural formulas or molecular weight information. Priority recommendations guide you on necessary edits. For example, if the system flags that elucidation of structure is missing, you can edit this section directly in your validated document. Review the entire document carefully, make necessary corrections, then save and download the updated version. Returning to the main page and refreshing, you'll see your validation review showing the 95% score. You can re-upload for revalidation if needed. Once you're satisfied, click Approve for submission. The document is officially approved with a submission date stamp. Click the RFI button to see an auto-drafted email requesting any required information. You can edit the content accordingly, add recipients to whom you want to send the request, then click either Save as Draft or Send. The system shows you the final draft of the email for review. Once you click Send, the RFI email is immediately dispatched to the corresponding recipients. Finally, we return to the dashboard. The updated metrics now reflect completion status and provide a comprehensive, data-driven overview of your entire CMC development and regulatory process, including detailed quality metrics, risk insights, and stability studies. Visit our website or contact us directly. With Mushroom Solutions, make life better.